to convene as an impeachment court.
At ano po ang ginawa dito ni Speaker Moldes? 4 na complaint po ang pinagpa-file sa isang taon. Hindi lamang 2. 4 talaga?
Kailangan talaga i-emphasize yun. Lahat talaga. Isang taon na usapan, matanda ko. Ito talaga si Atty. Romero Gonzon. Kahit seryoso, alam mo talagang bumibira siya eh. At yung puno ng House of Representatives, yun ang sinisibak niya. Panigurado, ikatutuwa ho ito ng kampo nitong si Martin Romualdez dahil hindi na sila mapapahiya sa impeachment court. Impeachment laban dito kay Vice President Sara Duterte. Idiniklarang unconstitutional ng Korte Suprema. Pero bago yan mga kababayan, kung bago lang ho kayo sa PH Update, isang like at isang subscribe, masaya na po tayo dyan sa mga gusto sumahan sa ating community. Yung join button nandyan lang ho sa baba. Pero mga kababayan, pakinggan ho natin ang tagapagsalita ng Korte Suprema kaugnay dyan sa ilinabas nila na decision na yan kaninang tanghali. Eto, Martin Romualdez, makinig ka. Joel Chua, sino pa ba? Luis Tro, lahat kayo. At para doon sa mga senator judges, itupin nyo na yung mga toga nyo. Itago nyo na sa inyong mga baon at aparador dahil hindi magagamit yan. Paano nyo itutuloy yung trial kung sinabi na ng kataas-taasan, kataas-taasang korte sa ating bansa na unconstitutional yung ginagawa nyo na yan? Doon pala, tinarget yung pinakaunang proseso di ba? No, ito mga kababayan, di tayo abogado. Yan natin tagapagsalita ng Korte Supremang sumalansan dyan.
The first 3 were filed before the House by private individuals against Vice President Duterte. The first 3 were filed before the House by private individuals and different groups on December 2, 4, and 19 in 2024. A 4th complaint was lodged by a resolution approved by more than 1/3 of the House members of the 19th Congress on February 5, 2025, which was transmitted as the Articles of Impeachment to the Senate on the same day. This was followed by 2 petitions filed before the Supreme Court challenging its constitutionality. The Supreme Court decision written by Senior Associate Justice Marvic M.B.F. Leonen ruled that all legal issues involving impeachment proceedings are subject to judicial review, considering the nature of the offices and the institutions that are subject to impeachment, its effect on the independence of constitutional departments and organs, and its nature as a constitutional process. The impeachment process is primarily a legal and constitutional procedure, but with political characteristics. It may be sui generis, but it is not a purely political proceeding. This means that the Bill of Rights, especially the Due Process Clause and the right to speedy disposition of cases, applies to the entire impeachment process, it said. Although the court does not determine whether an impeachable officer may be removed or disqualified from political office, it emphasized that it has a duty to construe the process mandated in the Constitution. In declaring that the articles of impeachment were barred by the 1-year rule, the decision differentiated the first 3 complaints from the 4th complaint. The first 3, it said, were filed under Article 11, Section 3, Paragraph 2 of the Constitution, which allows any citizen to file a verified complaint with an endorsement by any House member. The 4th one was through Article 11, Section 3, Paragraph 4 of the Constitution, through a verified complaint or resolution filed by at least 1/3 of the House members. The court took note that the House and the 19th Congress did not act on the first 3 endorsed complaints, which were considered terminated or dismissed upon adjournment of the House. The 3 impeachment complaints were archived and therefore deemed terminated or dismissed on February 5, 2025. Therefore, no new impeachment complaint, if any, may be commenced earlier than February 6, 2026, the Supreme Court held. Under Article 11, Section 3, Paragraph 5 of the Constitution, no impeachment proceedings shall be initiated against the same official.
Hindi mo pa natatry, no?
Okay, wala.
Ang inasal.
Mandawin video tayo. Ibili na naman sa gawas, sir. Bawas ko.